the markets. What a start of the morning. Welcome, welcome. Good to see you, everybody. How's it going? How's it going? Good to see you guys, ladies and gents. Let's continue with the market. Oh my gosh, I see that the market was really exciting. Lots of movement so far since the London session. Wow. All right, anyway, let's see who's here. Dominic, sorry. Hello there. Satish, hello. Son of Wall Street is here. Welcome back. Hello. Anginka, hello there. Keegan Murphy, good to see you back. Green, as always. Hello, Kev. What's up? Constantine, what's up? Good to see you back. What is going on? Francis, hello. Yeah, I'm gonna put out this song on the link. It's a nice song. What's going on? Chess Trades, hello. What's short after the inversion gap? You got break even. Yeah, let's see. So it seems like something started to happen right here. We gotta look for some levels real quick. I have a feeling that this one's gonna go down more. Oof. Oh my gosh. It does feel like it wants to go down a little bit more. It does feel like it wants to go down a little bit more. Okay. Yeah, just a second here. Just a second. I'll be right with you guys in a second. I'm kind of wondering if this one wants to go back up there a little bit more, or maybe not. Kind of saying setting up the charts here. Just a second. All right, that's not it. Okay, 119, 2240. Okay, make it 220. Okay, just gotta make sure that everything lines up on my chart here. 260. Okay, that's fine. Okay, I have a short position open, by the way. Yeah, so I have a short position. It's not a big deal. It's still the test account, but otherwise there's not much happening. Do we have news today? There is something. I did notice as well that there is something wrong with Forex Factory. I don't know what's the issue. Also, financial juice is down. Investment.com is still on. So currently, we have some news, not too much. 8:30, we have some US news releases here. Export price index, stuff like that, nothing special. Medium impact news, basically, and that's it. No high impact news today, other than that. Cloudflare. Yeah, I think it's Cloudflare. Flare, sorry. Maybe they're causing the problem. So it's not the prop firm. I think it's the provider. Yeah. Yeah, the server provider is having issues. So yeah, don't panic. There's a huge Cloudflare meltdown all over the place. Most likely. Yeah, it's Cloudflare. Martin Muchka, welcome. It's Cloudflare. So it seems like lots of websites all over the world are affected. Even my website, I think. Because I use Cloudflare. No, mine is okay. But yeah, I think most likely it's because of that. Yeah. It's a Cloudflare issue. Bunch of servers. Somebody gone down screwed. Yeah. I think there's somebody might gonna lose their job today because of this. Yeah, so it's a Cloudflare thing. All right, let's see. So overall, what I think is that this market pretty much looks like that it's ready to go down any minute. But I mean, this whole area here is a little bit sloppy. I'm trying to find some logic in this, but I don't think we can. I don't think it's that easy. Anyway, I have that one short position. We'll see how that goes. Here it is. Excuse me. Norbert Sunilvari, hello there. Watching it from far away. Oh, because you reached the daily profit. Oh, 250. Congratulations. Before the London Open. Very, very good choice. Congratulations. 250 is good. Yeah, the best way it is just to leave it. I think NQ is going down today. At least it seems like it. That's why I'm holding this position. Oh, yeah. Okay, it could take a while. All right. Could take a while. Seems like it. Seems like it's gonna take a while. I shorted from, no, that's my stop loss. I shorted from right here, 744.50. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. We'll see. Took a long and lost, and it was against your bias. I don't know. Oh, I see. Paper trading. That's good also. Paper trading, Ollie, is sometimes it's helpful. Yeah, especially when you're up 2000. Yeah, yeah. And you're not sure. It's always a better thinking to just, you know, blow off some steam on paper trading. Good idea. I support that. And yeah, that's a good idea. Okay. Kind of crazy to think about it, but yeah, I do think that could be going lower. Quick check on gold. We have a 5-minute supply zone higher. So on gold, I might gonna be looking for a possible continuation. I like the way it looks. So I just love that. I think that zone up there, that 5-minute supply zone, is absolutely great. I definitely love this. I think we have a great chance on gold to revisit that area. So I just don't know how far does gold wants to go down again and sweep some levels. That's the only thing I'm not sure of. So, but I love that. On the downside, I don't see anything special going on. I'm gonna wait a little bit. NQ is still kind of going down. 1 hour gap on gold. Oh yeah, there is a 1 hour gap up there, but also down there. If you're, yeah, you might be referring to this here. It could go down and sweep that gap. We don't know. We just don't know. You know, we do not know. All right. Let's see. What can we do about this? Feel like I'm gonna move my stop to 35. That's better. Okay. Not stop, my TP. Peter. So an expectation last quarter reporting revenues of $1 billion up to 55% on year. Wow. Okay. That's interesting. What does that tell us? Hold on. To crash all markets. You are in with 2 micros. Let's go. Yeah, but also be aware that there could be a squeeze as well anytime. So it's not that simple as it looks. I mean, even if it's not that simple, we should not overcomplicate. I know. So we'll see. We could see a possible move back up there. But anyway. Let's look for levels on the downside, because this is not a zone, but I do like that we have a bearish candle down there. Let's go to the left. Okay, there's nothing here. Well, actually, there's one more level. This here from October 17. This is a demand zone. It's not perfect, but it's valid. Opening up this price is 510.25. Okay. $15-minute demand. $15-minute demand zone. 510.25. Okay. I'm not saying we're going down there, but 82.50. All right. Let's extend it. All the way here. What was that again? October 17th. Okay. Okay. All right. So that's the level down there. Thank you going back. Who knows how far? It does have a chance to sweep that level up there, but we will see if it holds or not. Gold is finding some support in this area. Okay, we'll see. Good morning, Martin. Hello. They're engineering that buy side for 930. I can imagine that. Yeah, I kind of like that. Yeah, actually, they might do that. It could be possible. Maybe even higher. We do have an absolutely perfect zone up there as well. This is great. Right here. The fact that yesterday it failed to go up there kind of tells us that it can still go. Thank you for noticing, by the way. 15-minute supply zone. Okay. Opening of this candle is at 967.25. 967.25. All right. Okay, seems like it's going. I might be offside here. Let me make it more transparent. Okay. Okay. It's fine. Damn. We might be offside here completely. All right. How far is that? Oh, absolutely doable. All right, absolutely doable. Mohammed, hello, welcome. Thanks for joining. Nobody's code is working, AD. I'm sorry. MyFundedFutures disabled the basic discount. I'm really sorry about that. If there's no promo, there's no affiliate right now whose code is working. So MyFundedFutures decided not to give any discount for any time soon for anyone. So no more basic discount, only when there is an actual sales promo going on. When there is no actual sales promo, MyFundedFutures decided not to give any sort of discount. Nobody's code is working, unfortunately. Edwin, I do appreciate for trying. If you can still type it in, it kind of helps out the channel, and it still registers for my affiliate link. But I do appreciate it. But unfortunately, no basic discount at MyFundedFutures. It's not my decision. That's how they decided to go on from now. So, but still, if you would like to support, you can type it in. I do appreciate it, or click on my link. It is what it is, unfortunately. Yeah. So unfortunately, Edwin, I can't do anything about it. Nobody's code is giving any discount, not even the code YouTube. Only for brand new, I think for brand new users, MyFundedFutures gives a 5% discount or something. I don't know. Oh yeah, it's still now. Finally, I got word back from Apex that they're giving me 3 accounts, which is not too much. So I'm editing the video. I'm gonna put it out there soon. This week is gonna be up. I'm just not saying it's gonna be up today or tomorrow. This week is gonna be up. We'll do the giveaway. So there's gonna be at least 5 or 6 accounts. Shorts or longs? I'm already in a short position, but I might be offside here. That's the thing. I think I might be offside. There's some very good liquidity levels up there too. Short at the bottom. Yeah, so I still have worst case scenario. I'm gonna lose like 120 bucks. I already made profits on this account today, so I'm perfectly fine losing this position. It's not a big deal. But I'm just curious what's gonna happen. We still have plenty of time. We still have plenty of time. Seems like gold is also going lower a little bit here. Okay. So Apex is down 80% and $40 lifetime activation fee. Yeah, kind of cool. Okay, I forgot to do something here. The price for YOLO. Yeah, it depends on how you look at it, right? Does Apex intraday drawdown stops that? Yes. No, it locks in after you reach the safety net. So it locks in. I'm definitely going to grab a few of those because I think it's just amazingly good price. So actually, I'm just gonna check for how long. Yeah, 6 days. Oh, but you can't log into Apex right now. You can't log into the members area. Anyone? Because of Cloudflare issue. I'm not able to log into Apex. Okay, never mind. Seems like a lot of fraud firms are affected by this today. I can log into Bulenox, I think. Hold on. Yeah, I could log into Bulenox. Bulenox is having an 85% sale on option 1 and option 2 accounts. So end of day trailing accounts are 85% off, which is amazing. That's really amazing. Look at this NQ. Hey, K-Bell, nice to see you again. Yeah, we tried out yesterday as well. We were streaming the early New York session to see some setups. I think it's not a bad idea. So anyway, good to see you, K-Bell. You're banned for life. Project X is still working. Well, it depends on how much they are related to or dependent on Cloudflare. Oh, you can log in. Okay, it could be. I guess it depends on which servers are down. So maybe you're in a different country. Yes, yes. The 50K account, both option 1 and option 2 accounts are down 85%. End of day trailing account for $26. Obviously, there's an activation fee. Just saying, you know, for Bulenox, so far, that's the best sale on the option 2 accounts with the end of day trailing. It's $148, Yonex, but do not go higher than the 50K account because the 100K account has an activation fee of $230 or $40. The activation fee is very, very expensive on the bigger accounts. Yeah. I'm guessing that they're already working on it. Hopefully. Hopefully. Okay. Okay, seemingly Take Profit Trader is back online. It was down a little. Okay, Forex Factory is back somewhat. Okay. Financial Juice is back partially. I don't know. Actually not, don't worry. Anyway. So there's still an issue going on. Apex has an activation fee, $40. $40, Diogo. Which is, I would say that's a friendly activation fee. But only until, I don't know for how long, until next Monday or Tuesday, something like that. Yeah, good price. I'm gonna grab a few accounts myself. But it's I can't log into Apex. It's this Cloudflare thing kind of messing things up. Anyway, never mind. Gold went lower. Maybe that's because of that 1 hour gap down here. You know, sweeping some levels and then going higher. But I still think that that level up there is absolutely great. I love this supply zone up there. Oh, you're on the dashboard. Then maybe it's different for different countries. Okay, now it loads up here as well. Yeah, it seems like it's working now. Okay, great. I'm gonna grab a few accounts. Let's see. Let's go for the rhythmic. Let's get some rhythmic accounts, right? Da-da-dum. Okay, that's good. Let's see, which account should it be? Or which card? Go. Okay. All right. Okay, one more. I'm gonna grab some more. I'm gonna grab some more. While we're, who knows what's gonna happen at the market open. Okay. Let's go. All right. I think it's working. Past due account this morning. Yeah, gold was doing the job, right? Yeah, it seems like gold might be going higher. Yeah, Cloudflare is back, so I just grabbed a few accounts on Apex as well. I'm in a short position on NQ, but it's a very small position. I don't really care too much. Yesterday we had an absolute blast, and this morning in London as well. It was great. A very small risk. Let's see. It could go higher. There is an absolutely great supply zone up there. And you know, Asia session failed to push it back up there. It tried, but it failed. So kind of gives me a very interesting vibe here. Who knows? Maybe it will go completely the opposite way. Ah, yeah. Interesting vibe. Yeah. Yeah. Just a catchphrase there. Okay. Where are my Apex accounts? I want to see those. Dun, 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 dun. All right, it seems like we're offside here. It does seem like we're offside and it wants to go higher. What a trick. What a tricky move. Maybe not. What the heck is going on here? I mean, I see that gold still has some places down here that it could go for. But kind of strange. Is this just wants to go down? Anyway, the NQ trade is going against me. That's for sure. Oh, maybe it takes some time, you know, for different regions, Chris, to get it back online. It might gonna take another few minutes for you, or who knows. Oh yeah, we have the Apex accounts, baby. We have it. We just went to discount below 50% level, so it could be tricky. I know. Yeah, Amelia. I kind of checked that too, and it's very tricky. I know. We went down to discount, could be continuing up there. So yes, that's what I'm saying. I might be offside here. These are trying to long on one prop firm and short the other one. I tried it years ago. I realized I just can't manage that properly. So, and I realized that, you know, it's not going to bring me anywhere. I did that. I'm not doing it anymore. The challenge is really better and feels much better if you know where the market wants to go. But yeah, I understand hedging is also a technique, but I'm not doing it anymore. To pass an eval, we did that, of course. To pass an evaluation account, we did that. Methodical man to me too. So we kind of were fooling around on stream as well. Like we were actually hedging some accounts. Yeah, we did that a couple of times. Yeah. You know, smash and pass. Especially when it was a 90% discount or something. Yeah. Yeah, you can full port those accounts on those news releases, yeah. Midnight level is a good level to buy frequently. Yeah, midnight level is always a good reference point. It's a good anchor level throughout the day. It kind of gives you an idea if you study price action around that level. So yeah, I like it. I have 6 250K accounts for $16. Wow, yeah. The big accounts also on sale, by the way, guys. The big daddy accounts also on sale. If anyone wants a bigger room to play with, then you know. The big daddy accounts are on sale too. Let me check if Lucid Trading so far is still down because of this Cloudflare issue. $16 is basically nothing. Oh, it was the previous sale. Okay, but let me check the current sale. Let me check it. Let me check it. So currently, special eval pricing, the 150k, the 250k, the 300k accounts, only $79.40 for the first month. Also has the $40 lifetime fee. The Big Daddy accounts. Yes, sorry, that's not the. So the current sale is, but still good, $79 for the biggest account. I know, it's not bad. All right. Let's see. Oh, I forgot something. I forgot something. All right, so still feels like that NQ wants to go anywhere. Oh yeah, that's a good reinvestment. That's a good reinvestment there. I gotta fix a coffee for me. Imagine that, I haven't had a coffee in the morning. Amazing, right? Oh wow, look at this. What is this? What's going on? What is this drop? Okay. Never mind. You had 3 espressos already? I need to catch up with that. I need to catch up. All right, I'm gonna have to fix a coffee, everybody. There's no way around it. Gold is also melting down a little bit here. Kind of interesting. Coffee is good for the soul. Oh yeah, it's good for the soul. It is. Sometimes it's the best for the soul, right? I got a trick in my sleeve to make it dry. Yes, I have to. I do have a direct number to those market makers, and if I call them, you know, they can actually do what I ask. The problem is usually they ask a favor. You know, if they do me this favor, they usually ask a favor as well, and I don't like that. I have so many sticky notes, guys. I have a lot of sticky notes. I have to filter these out. Okay, I'm leaving this. This is important. That's important too. Order food. Oh, Raphael trades. Okay, I'm leaving this one too. For sure. What is this? I don't know. I'm throwing that out. I'm leaving that. Okay, that's not important, not important. Smart money reversal, who cares? Okay. I have another one. Okay. That's off. I have another one here. All right. I have a few sticky notes I'm getting rid of. Or post-it notes. I don't know how to call it. Yeah, I still have Raphael's note here. He said 5K on gold before December 31st. Before end of year. So, you know. Yeah, we have it. We have it. Don't do it. Yeah. Maybe that's the best sticky note there. All right. Let me check on gold. Okay. Gold is acting out weird. I don't know what to think about this. To me, gold feels a little bit more like bullish currently. I don't know. Okay. Anyway, we'll see. We shall see. You made it out alive? Imagine when it will go to 635. You will feel the FOMO. No, I'm just joking. Hey, $100. Okay, that's it. You made it. Okay, never mind. Hey, don't worry. You made it. You made it. Made $100. That's good money for early morning. That's good. Congrats. Let me change the color of this light here. I hate to do this. Okay, never mind. It's not working. The switch is on the opposite side of my desk. It's kind of annoying. Exactly. To the dishwasher. All right. I should do that too. I should do that too. And really, no joke, the dishwasher is full, and I should have done that by now. Oh no. Okay, no problem. My watch just fell off from the desk, but it's good. No issue. All right. No issue. All is good. All is great. All right. Ah, you did that. All right. Okay. I don't know. I have a strange feeling about gold. Yeah. Let's check it. I don't know. I just have a strange feeling about gold. That's all. Kind of feels like it might want to go higher, but again, it might not want to go higher. Yeah, I'm gonna stay away from gold on the short side. I might gonna be looking for a possible long position. Who knows? My working space, I can, but maybe not now. The thing is, it's such a mess currently. It's such a mess. My desk is completely covered in everything. Like I have some, anyway, I have everything here on the desk. I just can't show it to you right now. I would be embarrassing myself. I would be embarrassing myself if I would show you. I will show you next time. I have to put everything in order here, because currently it's a mess. It used to be everything used to be in order, but right now I left everything pretty much everywhere. So yeah. All right. All right. I'm gonna fix the coffee. I'll be right back. And hopefully this will go lower. Who knows? I'll be right back. Make sure to smash the like button and subscribe. Thank you. Oh no. It's going back up there. What is happening? Why? Why does it keep going back up? No, NQ, no. What the heck is going on? Oh man. What's it doing? Okay. All right. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, right? Well, anyway, we tried. Okay, the best thing what we can do right now is cut it, I think. Maybe try to cut it. Let's see. I think the best idea would be to cut it right now. Because there's nothing on the downside here, or is it? Not much. Yeah, I think we should cut it. Or maybe not. You know what? This is based on these indicators which I'm testing, so why not just leave it? Because it's only 1 micro. I don't really care if it goes to a full stop. So let's just leave it, okay? Who cares? It's just a small position. Let's just leave it. There has to be some sort of a kind of a news maybe. Okay. Cloudflare. Still kind of messed up. Okay, never mind. So let's just leave it. I'm gonna leave it. It's fine. Completely okay. Completely all right. Yeah, let's have the full stop. I made the decision. I'm gonna have the full stop on this one. You got stopped out. Oh. Yeah, gold also. Yeah. Now gold might give us the opportunity that we were waiting for that 459. Now that is actually something I do like, and I do like the opportunity on NQ as well. Wow, look at this. Gives me the chills, by the way. Ah. Look at this, man. Okay, never mind. Oh. Wow. Okay. Okay. So gold all the way up to 58. Let's see. It could go. Let's see. Yeah, now we have the pullback into that gap here. What an amazing move here. There has to be some sort of a news driver. 90 points, yeah. X is offline. It seems like it's a worldwide issue. Kind of amazing, right? Okay. I think not just NQ, but gold as well might just want to go back up there and get rid of all this area here to the left. Who knows? And it could be a low resistance liquidity run as well. I don't know. Wow. Wow. Could be happening. Could be happening. All right. Or this was just a stop run, who knows? That's why I'm gonna leave that trade on. And we'll see what happens. But gold is, wow. Very interesting move on gold. Very, very interesting move on gold. Maybe gold will pull back a little bit lower, pick up some more liquidity on this super fast run. So the trade is still on, but I don't know. Kind of gives me a weird feeling. Yeah, Cloudflare outage all over the place, everywhere. Currently, the cheapest one is MyFundedFutures network, if you think about it. Buy one, get one for free. You can get a 50K account for $37.50 with no activation fee. That's the cheapest one right now. But you have to pay $75, obviously, right? So, just saying. Hold on, the market makers. All right, it was the market makers. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Just a second. Just a second. All right. I sent you the message, son of Wall Street. Let's see. It's still going down. What is happening? Okay, still going down. Very interesting. Still holding this position. Let's see. I'm in a short position here. I'm in a short position, and I entered to a long position earlier on gold. Where is it? Anyway, I was just on the phone. So here are the positions. Okay. But the other trade was different. That was a different one. I'm just kind of looking for gold to go into this supply zone up there. That's the only thing. I'm kind of wishing that gold will get there. What is going on? Let's see. Let's see. Hey, Victor, hello there. Yeah, I'm in a gold long position. Yes, yes, I am long on gold and short on NQ. Why can't I find a view account lookup? Which, okay, this is the account. So this is the gold long position, and I have this NQ short. Yeah, so far this is all we have. The goal target is hold on. The goal target is we have a 5-minute supply zone higher. It's absolutely great. It has been created yesterday during the PM session. Starts at 4,059 actually. Now I'm not saying it's definitely going there. My TP is 58.1 just to make sure if there's some slippage or not, but as you can see it's kind of having a hard time. It could be just sweeping this level and then goes lower. So whoa, I think what happened? Did I lose a connection here? Oh yeah, I lost the Project X connection. Okay, I got it back. Okay. All right, so yeah, it could be just a sweep here, so you got to be careful. It could be still going lower, right? So that's why it's not a big position, small. We'll see what happens. Yeah, gold is flying. Gold is flying. It is. It is. It is. Okay. Let's see this. Yeah, the NQ trade is still on. Would be interesting to see how this goes. Good morning, Monet. Welcome. Hello. Yeah, we'll see what goes on. I'm also not really trusting this NQ short. There is a very good supply zone up there, so it could be just a trap for the shorts. I don't know. It's not that clean as it was yesterday. Yesterday it was definitely a better opportunity, I would say so. Oh no, already in a drawdown. Not good. Could be. We'll see if it could be if it's going to be a breakout. I think so too. I also think that this could be a trap for NQ shorts, so I might gonna get screwed here on this one. You look at this. Yesterday, the Asia session, so we Asia Open went up there and failed to interact with this level here. This is a textbook supply zone. So it failed to go up there. It went down, swept what it could, still luring in the sellers. But what if there was a rejection on this fair value gap here? What if NQ is just going to skyrocket all the way up there, all the way? I can actually imagine this happening. Absolutely. I think this scenario is pretty much on the plate right now on NQ. I still have a few more minutes. I still have a few minutes to stay. Yeah, I'll be at my funded TV soon, but it seems like this NQ trade is not going to be the one. It's not going to be the one. It doesn't seem like it's working out now. Yeah, it pretty much seems like we're going to have this as a stop loss, which is fine. I might even cut it. You know what? I don't know. Usually I always say the best is not to interfere with the trades, right? The gold is looking good. That's looking really good. And that's being copy traded. So yeah. Anyway, my gut feeling tells me that it's going higher. Intuition, you know. But still, on the 15-minute on NQ, I see all this rejection from this area, from this 760, 750 area. Somehow the bears are still trying to push NQ down. They're still fighting it, but I don't think they will be able to hold it down. I don't know. Kind of weird. It's Trading Star. Hey, Trading Star, imagine this. You got gifted a membership subscription by Terry. Terry Trades gifted 20 memberships to the channel, and you were one of the winners. Trading Star. You have the badge right there. Yeah. Yeah, Terry was here. She gifted 20 memberships. I was like, what? Nobody has done it before. I was completely amazed. Like, what is going on? All right. Let's see. Are we going to have a TP on gold? Anytime soon. What's going on here? Come on, let's have that TP on gold. Oh, it's not going for it yet. Maybe later. Money badge, exactly. All right, TP hit, nicely done. Okay. Nevertheless, I'm still not satisfied. So we arrived into this 5-minute supply zone. But that was a different kind of trade. All right. So that was not the trade that I used to put on. But that was based on my entry or in my target. This trade that you see currently still left on. This is based on the indicator. All right. This is purely based on the, if you ask me why I took this trade, I can show you. This is the indicator that I always keep yapping about this. So this trade that you see up there is solely based on this. Only based on this. The other one on gold was based on my idea. So I'm actually going against the indicator. It's kind of amazing, right? I'm going against the indicator system sometimes, but yeah, that was on gold, of course. But anyway, I'm not the one who coded it, and I'm not the one who came up with the idea about the colors, but it's still there. We had like 3 winning trades. Yeah, it was good. Just a second, the market makers. All right, this was the market makers. They keep telling me that it's gonna be all right. Yeah, so gold went up there, and so we're still hovering here. I don't know. I'm not trusting this short. So if guys, this short trade on NQ, I'm not trusting it at all. Absolutely. Oh, I see. All right, see you tomorrow, Dominic, in London. Good morning, Mirai Khan. Hello there, welcome. I hope you too as well. Okay, everybody, I think I'm gonna cut it here, and I'm gonna prepare for my Funded TV segment. I'll be there in about 20 minutes. Okay, I gotta do some phone calls and, you know, the usual stuff. So thank you so much for watching. This was an exciting early New York stream. So hey, Camila. Oh no, Camila is not here. I thought that it's Camila. Habush Torta. Okay, hello there, you're a good. Good morning, Hotshot FX. Good morning. Okay. New baby born boy. Oh my gosh. Hey, congratulations for the new baby. That's amazing. Congratulations on the new baby. All right. See you guys at MyFunded TV. God bless you all. If you would like to support the channel, please use the code TOMSABO for all these prop accounts. Apex is down 80% with $40 activation fee. Bulenox is 85% on option 2 accounts as well, just like option 1. Check out the instant funded accounts at FUNDINGTICKS, sorry, TRADEIFY, Lucid. I mean, there's a Cloudflare issue today, but anyway, thank you so much for the support. Ladies and gents, you are amazing. I love you all. God bless you all. I'll be at MyFunded TV soon. Cheers. God bless.